Hey everybody! This video is going to talk about midpoint of a line segment in the plane. So when we're told to find a midpoint of a line segment joining the points S and T, where S is clear up here at 420 and T is down here at -6, -2. Well, what do? First, let's estimate. What is a midpoint? A midpoint is on this line segment. It's the exact middle point. So how do we find the exact middle of things? Well, think of it as finding the average. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the average of the horizontal distance. And how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to take x2 and add x1 and then divide by 2. Now x2, x1, those can be interchanged, okay? Now, how do we find the average of the y distance, or the middle? Well, just like most other averages, we take the two values, we add them up, and divide by the number that we have. So there's our formula for the midpoint, or the average x value, the average y value. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, let's let the point 420 represent x1 and x2. Sorry, not x2. x1 and y1. And then the point -6, -2 is going to represent our second point. So x2, y2. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and plug these values into our equation. So we have x2 is -6, x1 is 4 divided by 2, and then y2 is -2, and y1 is 20 divided by 2. Let's do some simplification. -6 plus 4 is -2 divided by 2. -2 plus 20 is 18 divided by 2. So we're going to get -1, and then 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now, let's go back and check our work. Does this point look like it's at about -1, 9? Yes, it does. -1 and 9. We were actually pretty darn close there. So that is midpoint of a line segment in a plane.